and we go, "Hey, Tom Hobbs here, and I'm in New Zealand, and you should be here as well. We've just had some grand times, and I'm sitting here with Dale. Man, tell us what's going on, Daniel."
Hi, I'm Daniel Hovell. I'm from Nomai South Taranaki Toastmasters Club. And today I was at a presentation with Tom Hobbs, the man in the hat. And it wasn't just a speech, it was actually an experience for me. He got us to look at a photo on our phone and share that with somebody else. And I looked at this photo and it was just of an Irish coffee that I'd had in a bar last night, and that's all it was to me. But he got me to share about that with a guy that I was with, and it started opening up the whole reason why I was there and why that coffee was special to me. I thought about so much about why I was here and everything leading up to it and everything coming out of it, and it was just magic for me.
That's a blast. And all I did is open a door, and Daniel ran with it. Daniel, was it a presentation to you?
No, it was fantastic. It's something that I'll take with me through the rest of my life, and I'll share it with other people. It's really special.
Daniel walked up to me afterwards, and we were visiting, and he just goes, "Tom, that was really cool. I expect, we come to a conference, a breakout session. We got a presentation, a speech, another speech to listen to. And what was it different about it? What did you call it?"
An experience.
Awesome. Daniel, thank you, man. Go out and change your world with your smile. And a coffee can be the difference, isn't it?
Absolutely, Tom. Thank you.
Awesome. Cheers. Hey, Tom Hobbs, man in a hat, hanging out with Daniel. New Zealand, you should be here. Why are you not? Cheers.
Love it.